Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good, and if you're watching me for the very first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and you can also follow me on Insta. So in today's video, I am going to talk about some amazing products from Elf's Goodness. And if you don't know about this brand, then Elf's Goodness is an Indian brand and all the products from this brand are widely available on Purplle. Elf's Goodness has variety of DIY product range. So if you love DIY, then you should definitely check out their range. So if you are looking for natural products which are affordable yet effective, you should definitely try products from Elf's Goodness. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first product in my list is this Elf's Brightening Facial Kit. Recently I have done a detailed review and demo of this product. I have already mentioned the link in the description box, so you can check that out. So this is their 3-pack of facial kit. You can also go for single usage kit. So this retails for 315 rupees, but I got it for 120 rupees, which is quite a good steal. So the key ingredient of this facial kit is dragon fruit and carrot oil. Dragon fruit is high in vitamin C, whereas carrot oil आपकी skin में oil balance को maintain करता है. This facial kit gives you a clean, clear and supple skin, and this facial kit is all skin types, so you should definitely give it a try. If I talk about Elf's Goodness facial kits, then they have variety of variants. You can go and choose as per your choice and as per your skin type. And if you're following me from quite some time, you must be aware that how much I love my DIY hair mask and face mask, and I do share all my DIY hair mask and face mask with you. Elf's Goodness has variety of DIY products which you can buy and make your own DIY hair and face mask. So from their DIY range, the first product which I have is this orange peel powder. Usually I make my own DIY orange peel powder, but since I have come across this orange peel powder, there is no going back. It's a 50-gram pack and this retails for only 75 rupees. Orange peel powder is high in vitamin C. It not only enhances your complexion, it also removes tan from your skin, it even out your skin, and it also removes dark spots. This orange peel powder you can not only use on your face, you can also use it on your hair. And this orange peel powder is created for all skin types. And quality wise, I really like this orange peel powder. So next in my list is this lemon peel powder. Usually making lemon peel at home is quite difficult, so this can actually make your life easy. It's a 150-gram of pack and this retails for 185 rupees. And you know, sometimes using lemon juice directly on your skin can irritate your skin, so it's a nice way of incorporating a lemon in your skin. And lemon, we all know, is high in vitamin C. Vitamin C actually reduces tan from your skin. It also reduces pigmentation. It even out your skin. It fades away dark spots and blemishes from your skin. And if I talk about particularly this lemon peel, then you can not only use this on your skin, you can also use it on your hair if you have oily scalp. And this product is created for all skin type. And I will suggest, instead of using lemon juice, use this peel powder. Recently I have made a vitamin C mask using this peel powder. So if you are interested, you can check that out. I will put the link in the description box. Next up I have this amazing product from Elf's Goodness, which is their Amla Rita Shikakai powder. This is 50-gram pack and this retails for 99 rupees. This powder reduces hair loss and hair graying, nourishes hair follicles, add luster and a shine to your hair. It's 100% organic and natural, pesticide and preservative free. Using this powder is really easy. You can make your own hair mask either using curd, or you can also make paste using water. Very soon I am coming up with a DIY hair mask using this powder, so stay tuned. So next up in my list is this Upton powder from Elf's Goodness. It's a 50-gram pack and this retails for 85 rupees. And if I talk about its key ingredient, then it has wheat flour, it has gram flour, it has turmeric, it has sandalwood powder and it has camphor. So it has all the basic ingredients. And if you're a lazy lad and you don't want to take a lot of pain when it comes to skincare, then what you have to do is buy this powder. You have to make a paste either using curd if you have oily skin, or you can make paste using milk if you have dry skin. Use it and this will give you amazing results. This Upton contains age-defining properties, helps prevent acne, aids in tightening pores and gives your skin a firm and youthful look. It's 100% organic, natural, pesticide and preservative free, and this is also created for all skin types. So next up in my list is this licorice toner from Elf's Goodness. It's a 100 ml bottle and I got it for 100 rupees only. And the key ingredient of this toner is licorice, and we all know licorice is amazing when it comes to skincare. Licorice not only removes pigmentation from your skin, it also gives you clean and clear complexion. This toner claims that it aids in skin clearing, contains antioxidants and revitalizes the skin. This toner will not only remove impurities from your skin, it actually hydrates your skin. But I will not recommend this to oily skin people because it makes your skin little sticky. This toner feels very light on your skin as it does not have any alcohol, and you can not only use it as a toner to clean out your skin, you can also use it as a facial mist. Next up in my list is again a toner. It's a green tea toner and it's an amazing toner from Elf's Goodness. This also a 100 ml bottle, and this also retails for 100 rupees. It's a 100 ml bottle and I got it for 100 rupees, and the key ingredient of this toner is green tea, and we all know green tea is full of antioxidant, and when it comes to oily skin, green tea is an amazing ingredient. This toner claims that it has antioxidant properties, it aids in clearing pores, and it revitalizes the skin. This toner not only removes impurities from your skin, it also hydrates your skin pretty well. You can also use this toner as a facial mist, and you can also use this toner before and after your makeup. And this feels very light on your skin, and this is also alcohol-free toner. And if I have to compare both the toner from Elf's Goodness, then green tea one is amazing for all skin types, and this licorice one is very good for dry skin people. These are not only the two toners from this range, they have a variety of toners. You can check them out. You can buy as per your skin type and as per your choice. Last but not the least, this rose mask from Elf's Goodness. It's a 29 gram of mask, and this retails for only 80 rupees. This mask is amazing if you have a dry and dull skin. This mask has rose in it. A rose soothes out the skin, it refreshes the skin, and it also helps in hydrating the skin. This is an amazing product, and you can carry this with you while traveling. I have already used this 2-3 times, but still a lot of product is left inside. This mask gives your skin clean, clear complexion. It also evens out your skin, so it's a must try from Elf's Goodness. There are other lot of products from Elf's Goodness which are amazing and I'm trying out. Very soon I will come up with a detailed review of all these products. Do try all these products and please share your experiences with me. I am sure you are definitely going to love product from Elf's. This is it for today's video. I hope you have liked this video. If you do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share this video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.